Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create this colorful look, which is something different than I usually do, but with these new products that I've used from Urban Decay, I felt the need to do something colorful, or else it was going to be a little bit of a boring tutorial. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So let's get started. I've already done my brows, as you can see, and I primed my lids with a concealer. It's Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I did my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and Ash Brown, and brow powder and ash brown. And I am going to use some tape, some regular tape, to really, you know, like cut the eyeshadow. It's going to be a very colorful look today because I'm going to use the Kristen and Leanne collection from Urban Decay. Actually, I'm going to use a lot of Urban Decay today. Yeah, I think something like that, I hope. So in case you didn't know, Kristen and Leanne and Urban Decay did a collab together and they have amazing stuff. Well, I think they look amazing. I am going to try it for the first time on camera because I have these for quite a while, but you know, I'm like a real friend, so I didn't swatch them, I didn't do anything with them. I just looked at it and I was like, wow, the colors are amazing, and I'm going to do a tutorial with it. So she did, I think it was 3 lipsticks, 2 eyeshadow palettes, and a highlighter palette, if I'm not wrong. This is the Urban Decay Kaleidoscope Dream. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, go ahead and laugh. Well, these are the colors, super colorful, super vibrant. Exactly, this is like super Kristen and Leanne, and I love that because it pushes me to do a look with more colors. And this is the other eyeshadow palette, which is called Daydream, and I've heard a lot of great things about these, and I've seen a lot of great things. They all look super pretty, so I'm going to try to use them both, and I'm going to try to use as many colors as possible. Okay, so as I said, this is going to be a very colorful, well, at least that's what I'm going for, so let's see. I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Daydream, to start off with. So this is going to be a transition color, and this is going to be a color which will not be very visible at the end, but which will add more definition to the other eyeshadows. And now I'm going to use Subscribe with the same brush, and that is this color, which is a little bit deeper than Daydream. I'm going to use the Kaleidoscope Dream palette, and I'm going to use the color Tagine, which is this burnt orange color, which is a super pretty color. Okay, darken up this crease even more. Rarely, I hate that word, rarely do very colorful looks, so fingers crossed. So to cut the crease, I am going to use the All Nighter Concealer by Urban Decay, which is, if you haven't tried this, and if you're looking for the perfect, most covering concealer, which isn't dry or patchy or cakey, hello, what are you waiting for? Because it's so beautiful. I'm excited about this. What should we use? What should we do? I'm going to use a lot of color, okay? And we'll see if that's going to look good or not. Taking the risk. I'm going to start off by using this gold color. Now I'm going to use the green Lime Time. It's a very nice lime shade indeed. You know what? I'm going to take the purple color. Sorry. So now I'm going to blend all the colors together. Hopefully this is going to look cool. I'm back and I did the other eye as well, and now we are going to continue with the face. Okay, so for foundation I'm going to try the new L'Oreal Infallible sticks. I just received this yesterday and I'm very curious what this looks like, because everyone was curious about these sticks, and I think almost like I've never really read or heard something bad about the normal Infallible foundation, so I can't wait to use this. I'm going to try to pick up my color. I'm going to try to pick my color, which is probably sand. The shade range is not really... Ooh, I think this is too dark. I'm going to compare it. Yes, it's way too dark. Golden beige all over my face. Ooh, it's very covering. I know I'm putting up a lot of foundation, but my skin looked not really good, so I need a lot of foundation. Oh, it's really extremely soft. It almost feels wet. Okay, quickly going to set that with some beauty blender. I think this foundation is really pretty. It does feel great on the skin. I'm going to try a dark color to contour my face. So this is in the shade Caramel, which is probably way too warm. It is very warm, almost orangey, but we are going to fix this with some ashy bronzer. I'm going to finish off the look with concealer, and I'm going to fix the bronzer. So I'm using the same concealer. It's All Nighter by Urban Decay, the shade Medium Light Neutral. Such a covering concealer. And because I like to be a little lighter underneath my eyes, I'm going to use the Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade Fair, which is the lightest shade. You can skip this part, but I like to be a little lighter. I am starting to like the foundation more and more, because it's not the... Oh, I hate the contour, but it's not on top of the skin. It doesn't feel like I have anything on, super soft and smooth. So I do love the... I think I do love the foundation, but I'm going to... What is this? Okay, we're going to fix that later, but I'm going to wait for a while and then come back and tell you more about the foundation, because I can't really like have my opinion ready yet. But first I'm going to fix the bronzer, which is annoying me. So I hope that I can fix my contour a little bit. I don't mind if it's warm, but it has to be blended if it's warm. You know what I mean? So I'm going to blend everything, make it a soft contoured look. See, that is way better. So now I'm going to set my concealer with the translucent powder from Laura Mercier. Oops. Define my contour a little bit more because it looks smudgy like this. So for blush I'm going to use this color and mix it with this one from Anastasia. This is the blush trio in Peachy Love. Just a little bit, not too much. And now my favorite part, and now this is what I'm really curious for, because I couldn't wait for this part. I didn't even swatch these, you know, maybe just very light-handed, okay? And this is the Beauty Beam highlighter palette from Kristen. I do love all these packages, and I hope this is going to be good, or to mix everything together. Oh god, I have a huge spot here. Do you see that? I'm actually... I don't know, whatever. Okay, don't mind my huge spot, which is now way more visible, but this highlight, honestly, I didn't expect this, and I don't know why, but look at this highlight. That is amazing. I do have to say that if you're darker than me, it might look a little bit grayish, because it's not very bronzy. It's more like a champagne color highlight. So now I'm going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to darken up the edges, taking the same black color that we've used for the outer corners. I am going to define the outer corners, but then on the lower lash line, and press the black shadow because we can't have any fallouts now. Going to use the orange color in the palette, which we've used for the crease as well. By the way, I'm using the brush from the palette, which is quite okay actually. I noticed it. So taking the Daydream palette, I'm going to use this super cute pink color in the shade 1212. I'm going to smoke it out a little bit so it's visible, but not really, you know what I mean. Makes it a little bit more grungy in a good way, I think. So now taking the palette again, I'm going to use this bluish. So I'm going to use this bluish color, which is called Leo. This one right here. I think I'm going to mix it with the white one, and I hope it's going to be super pigmented because we're going to highlight the inner corner. First, I'm going to take the bluish color. Oh my god, it is super pigmented. Oh my god. Oh, we have to fix this blemish as well. Okay, taking the white color. Yes. So before we move on to the eyes, I'm going to show you the lipsticks that Kristen and Leanne has created together with Urban Decay. And these are the lipsticks, which are super pretty. I do have a lot of Urban Decay lipsticks and they look the same, but the pink packaging is just amazing. She has 3 colors, which is Cloud 9, which is Comfort Matte. And the Comfort Mattes are really good from Urban Decay because they don't feel dry at all. As the name says, it's super comfortable. And then you have Bun Bun, which is more of a nude color. I will swatch them in a minute. And then you have Spellbound, which is a Mega Matte, which is a little bit more on the drier side, but very like out there, like very matte. I can't even swatch these guys, you know, like that's a real friend, you know. Yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about. Spellbound, I'm going to swatch this. Oh my god, I think I see you wearing this a lot. Which is amazing, deep, berry, purplish, brownish color. This will make it more grungy. And then you have Cloud 9, which is very bright purple. I never ever wear purple because I don't think it looks good on me. But I don't know, somehow I feel like purple is looks amazing with blue eyes or with like light eyes, not with brown. And then a nude shade, and this is called Bun Bun. And that color screams my name because we're going to use this. Should we use this? I really want to use this. Okay, I'm going to use this. So to line my lips, I'm going to use a Nighthawk and then Bun Bun lipstick. I think this will be too dark, but I don't mind a more like a ombre effect on the lips. I got goosebumps. Is it healthy that I got goosebumps because of the lipstick? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to use that lipstick very often from now. I'm going to put on some mascara and then some lashes, and I will be right back. Of course, I quickly wanted to show you the lashes I'm going to wear, which are my signature lashes. And I did a collab with Queen Tarty, which is a very famous brand in the Netherlands. And we did a limited edition with my name on it. And it's super cute. I love the packaging. I wanted to create a very dramatic but very glamorous lash, which gives you like an instant like glamorous, you know, like sultry effect. So I think I managed to do that, and I know they look like super, you know, very voluminous, and I just do love them. And they are sold in like 154 stores in the Netherlands, and then online and queentarty.com for international orders. So if you want to order this, I will show the effect in a minute, then you can definitely do that. But I just wanted to show you this, and yeah, I'm just proud of it and very excited about it. So don't mind my promotion. So as you can see, I applied the lashes. They are like huge, but I think if I would have applied a more natural lash, it's going to look a little bit boring, I think. So I applied the lashes and then I smudged a little bit of glue on my eyelids. So I had to do an eyeliner, and I don't regret it because I think it looks amazing with an eyeliner. And then I also added a pop of blue because I thought, you know, it's a colorful look, so why not make it more colorful? And on my waterline, I'm going to use the faux whites. I love the faux whites and the faux blacks from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Mint Cream. For mascara, I'm going to use MAC mascara in D76 for my lower lashes. So that's it for this look. I was looking in the mirror and I saw that my jawline is a little bit darker than my neck. So it means that the foundation does oxidate a little bit. And it's just a little bit, so I can actually blend this. So it's not a problem, but just so you know that it does oxidate. I do love the foundation. I love the finish of the foundation. I love the feeling of the foundation. It is covering, but I would say medium, and I applied a lot of foundation, as you could see, and it's still like medium. I do love the fact that it's not very dewy, it's not very matte either, and it does feel great on my dry skin, so keep that in mind. So I hope you guys like this look. When I received the Kristen Leanne products, I felt the need to create something that's out of my comfort zone and do something more colorful. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully see you next time. Bye!